Come on. To make one for your own kids. It's so cute. We're in a winter wonderland. Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning, and as you saw by yesterday's video, I kind of got behind this last weekend. We had such a busy weekend. I obviously had my girls' weekend, and then our Sunday was packed full of house showings and family Christmases and just a lot of driving. So I got a little bit behind, and I just kind of had to do like one big video, and then now we're back on a normal schedule. But yeah, my weekend was so much fun with my girlfriends. I am still so tired, you guys. I mean, like, you can probably tell I look awful, but yeah, it was so much fun. So good to see all of those girls. We see each other quite often. I mean, for how far away we live from each other, but we don't all get together every time, so it's just nice when we all can be in the same place. And it's so fun to like rent an Airbnb versus a hotel because you can all just like be in the same area. And I feel like the most fun about those weekends are just like the mornings and getting ready together. It just kind of feels like you're back in college and living together again. So yeah, we had a really great weekend. We went and looked at that house, which I loved. It was overall just such a fun weekend, and yeah, just a really good weekend, but I am very tired. So we're going to spend this Monday at home, just kind of getting back on track, unpacking, because we didn't get home until really late last night. So literally, I think my suitcase is still out in the garage. That's how like little we have done. So that is kind of our plan today. But thank you guys for hanging tight. I know I missed a few days there, so I appreciate you guys understanding. And from here on out, we'll be on schedule and back to our normal like everyday videos. So I'm gonna finish up this video while Remy is taking her first nap, and I'll check in with you guys around lunchtime. Come on. She's getting frustrated because she can't move fast enough. Are you army crawling? Come on. Come on. I need to like do my hair as soon as Remy goes down for her nap, but I got a couple things in the mail while I was gone, and I thought we could open them up together. Okay, the first thing I got were little like stocking stuffers, and then I'm also giving some to my grandma's. But when I was at the Christmas market, I came across this brand. It's called Burnt Sugar, and I'm almost positive it's based out of Minnesota. But I ordered these online, so you can get them from anywhere. But yeah, it's called Burnt Sugar, and they just have like the most adorable packaging. It's so cute. And David and I bought some caramels when we were at the market, and they were so good. We specifically got the brown butter caramels, and these were amazing. So I actually think I'm gonna put these in David's stocking. And then I got 2 packs of different assorted caramels, so there's all different flavors. Yeah, brown butter, raspberry champagne, honey coconut, which we had the honey coconut as well, and it was so good. I would have bought a whole pack of those, but they didn't have them. Espresso, a Scotty dog, which I don't know what that is, and then bourbon and bitters. But I just thought they were really cute. I like that they were local, and the packaging was adorable. So I got a couple of those, and then I don't know who I'm gonna give these to yet, but they are their peanut rolls, and they just looked really good, and I thought someone would like these. So I'm gonna stick those in people's stockings, but I just think they're so cute. And then the last thing that came in the mail is Remy's little My Favorite People book that I designed from Artifact Uprising. The quality is so amazing, you guys. It's like a thick like board book for babies, and it is just so cute. What it is, you basically just choose like any of her favorite people and you put a big picture of them and then like their names. So this is my page, so it says Mama, and then it's a picture of me and her. And then of course we have David, and then I put like all of her grandparents and like what she'll probably call them. Obviously she can't talk right now, but this is just like, this is my mom, and all of my nieces and nephews call her Momo, so that is what I put in the book. But yeah, I just put all of her grandparents, her great-grandparents, and her aunts and uncles, her cousins. It's just so cute. I loved looking through it, and I know she'll love it too. But yeah, we have like all of her cousins. I don't know why it like made me emotional when I like looked through this book. Wow, words. But it's so nice, it's so cute. So if you're looking for a gift for like a baby, or I don't know, just to make one for your own kids, it's so cute, and yeah, I really like it. Okay, that is all that I got in the mail so far, but I'm assuming I'm probably going to be getting quite a bit today just because I haven't ordered anything new in a while, but I'm still waiting on a couple things. So I feel like Mondays are usually like a big delivery day. So if I get anything else cute, I will share it with you guys, because I know Christmas is already next week and I don't know, it's going so fast. All right, I just got Remy down for a nap, and while she naps, I am going to do a quick cleanup of this main floor and unpack a little bit from this weekend. And then when she wakes up, I need to go to the grocery store, and then I think we might go for a long walk, just because this week is supposed to be like unusually warm. I want to say it's like 45 out right now or something. So I just thought it would be good to get out while it's still light out and fairly warm. So I think that's our plan for this afternoon, but I do need to like clean up a little bit before we do anything else. I was just cleaning up over by the Christmas tree, and I saw my advent calendar, which I didn't open a box yesterday. So we get to open day 12 and day 13 today, which is always exciting. Ooh, this looks cool. This is a hand cream. Really cute packaging. Again, love that. I'm gonna try it out actually. My hands have been so dry the last couple days. I love throwing in hand creams like this size in my car or in my purse. I feel like I'm always putting hand cream on, or like lotion. I just love it so. Oh, my hair. It smells pretty good. I'm pretty sure that's like almond is what I'm smelling, if I can guess. Oh, it's actually honey, but smells really good and feels really nice on, so that is exciting. And then day 13 is, okay, I'm excited about this because mine was actually drying up, but it is a Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Hydrating Eye Gel by Peter Thomas Roth. So it's just like an eye cream type of situation, I'm guessing, and mine is actually, I feel like, getting old because I've had it for so long, but I'm excited to try something new because I've been using the same one for a long time. So excited about this, and I've never used a gel under my eyes, but yeah, I'll let you guys know how I like this. I'll use it tonight. So yeah, those are two good ones. I like these. All right, back to cleaning. Okay, Remy is awake from her nap, so we are gonna go for a little walk and then go to the grocery store and grab some stuff for dinner. We are all bundled up. And we're both like hot, so we gotta get outside. Are you ready? Say hi. Hi. So cute. All right, let's go for a walk. I'm pretty sure over the weekend we got over like 12 inches of snow. We have so much snow right now, which is so nice because some Christmases I feel like we don't have that much snow, but it is supposed to be 50 degrees in a couple days, so a lot of it will melt, I'm guessing. But right now. It feels so Christmassy and we love it. Yay! So glad we came out on this walk because I almost didn't. I was like, I have some other stuff I should get done, but it honestly feels so good to get outside. Perfect weather. There's blue skies, which that's not very common this time of year, I feel like. So it's like, look how pretty. We're in a winter wonderland. Okay, we're back from the grocery store and I'm gonna start prepping a little bit of food for Remy. I'm gonna roast this head of cauliflower and I think I might do like a yogurt curry sauce that I've done for her before. And then I just bought a bunch of bananas that I'm gonna chop up some of them and freeze them because she's teething right now, so she really likes to chew on like frozen bananas. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep some of that. David's home from work and Remy is so excited.
What are you doing, crazy girl?
This is literally every day. She gets so excited. Is Daddy home?
Hey!
Alright, David's getting Remy down for bed, so I'm actually going to start dinner, and we're also having cauliflower for dinner. I'm making this like really simple. It's like pesto pasta with like a spicy cauliflower on top. I will link the recipe below if you guys are wanting to try it, but it's really easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just prep the cauliflower because that probably takes the longest, or for sure takes the longest. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Alright, I'm all done. It was super simple. I'm going to do a little taste test. Okay, that is super good. I love pesto, so it's just like very simple pasta. It's like a pesto sauce with a little bit of cream in it, and then you make this cauliflower that's like super spicy, and I feel like those two combinations together is so good. And I did follow a recipe for this, so I'll post it below, but this I would say is easier to make than spaghetti. Like, it's really simple. The recipe I followed does give you instructions on how to make homemade pesto, but I obviously, as you saw, just used the jarred stuff, so just to make it even more simple. So if you're not a very good cook or you're just kind of learning, I feel like this recipe would be one to try because it's like very simple. But yeah, it's really good. Okay, just finished eating and I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm just gonna start editing the vlog. David's watching football. Not much more is going on here tonight. I was gonna ask you guys if you had any questions for me. It doesn't matter what it's about. I just thought maybe in the next few days doing a little Q&A maybe at the end of a vlog would be kind of fun. And I always ask my Instagram, but I never ask YouTube. So yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, nothing's off limits ever, so just ask away and I will maybe answer them in the next vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.